Now this word is a rule breaker. So these letters don't really say, all of them don't really say what they're supposed to, right? We already said that the O kind of sounds like a W. Whoa. So, but it's not a W, it's an O. I'm going to break off part of my Play-Doh and start by making the letter O, a lowercase o, for one. Okay, so you guys do that too. That's our first letter in the word one. With the line, the same way when you write the letter E, you start with your line and then go around. It's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to start with my line and then I'm going to curve it around and go down. Okay, and that's my E.